Welcome to Business Budget Model. Today we're going to explore the options in the setup sheet. If you have any questions that you'd like to get in touch with us, the email address is support@businessbudgetmodel.com. So this is the setup sheet, which we can either access through the selected tab at the bottom in the traditional way that we access sheets with Microsoft Excel, or from the navigation page where we've got these macro buttons to allow us to easily navigate to the various sheets. All the colors of the sheets, as shown on the macro buttons, reflect the colors of the actual sheet tabs down at the bottom there. Going back to the setup tab, just a reminder that any cell that is shaded in this light shade of brown is a cell that you as the user are allowed to edit, and you can change the terminology or the selecting the dates, etc. On these options. In the scenario names, and we'll deal with that in a separate video of what the different scenarios are and how you would use them. Investments will also be done when we do the valuation model section. The budget start month is simply something that you can change, and the cells below will automatically change. Note the color coordinating of the years. For year 1, it'll always be in a pale blue. Year 2 would be in pale green, and year 3 would be in pale gray colors. And you'll see that throughout the sheet. It's very consistent. You can select either VAT or GST from the drop-down list, depending on what tax type is applicable in the country that you are using the model. If you wanted to change the start month to, say it was June 2021, you'd simply just change the month, accept it, and as you accept it, you'll see the months automatically change. In terms of the multiple currencies that you have, at the bottom here in red, you'll see the tab called Budget. That is your primary budget from which everything is driven. We do have options which are not displayed here, for example, for multi-currency. If you wanted to use multi-currency, you would go to Print Options, and you'd select the tab at the top that says Show Other Budget Currencies. You'll see these columns on the right are hidden, and at the bottom the tabs are hidden because it's currently being hidden. If we want to show them, we would simply click on them, and as you can see on the right hand side are all the options to print your budget, and it'll display which currency you happen to be using for your alternate options. And then you'll see also here at the bottom budget currency 2 and budget currency 3 have automatically come up. Once again, the color coordination for the years: budget year 1 would be blue, year 2, year 3 accordingly, and then the summaries would be in yellow. And these are simple print options. With one click you can print to your default printer, but we will go over that in a separate tutorial. So to change any currency, if your primary budget, where you wanted to change the currency to say euros, you would simply click on euro. It'll give you a warning message that you're going to reformat all your values, and are you sure? And you say click yes, and then it runs off a couple of seconds, goes and reformats every amount in the currency format that you've selected. Similarly, you'd do the same for your second or third alternative currency if that's what you elected to do. That about wraps it up for this session. Hopefully we will see you in another tutorial on one of the other sheets. Thank you very much.